Have you ever been told by someone to trust your gut feeling? Do you listen to your gut instincts when something doesn't feel right about a person or a situation? In today's video, we'll explain how that faint whisper in your head is linked to the uneasy, rumbling feeling in your stomach when something feels odd or uncomfortable. Stay until the end of this video to find out about the connection, along with 7 effective ways to improve your gut health. Your gut or gastrointestinal tract is composed of the organs where your food passes through to be digested. It's like a long tube that starts from your mouth and ends with your anus. Your gut contains a microbiome, or an environment where microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi thrive and exist. The relationship between humans and our unique biomes is referred to as mutualism. These microorganisms are like tenants that benefit from living inside our body for free while they work for us by helping in food digestion, extracting essential nutrients from the food that we eat, producing vitamins, and keeping our immune system strong. Number 1. Eat fermented and fiber-rich foods. Fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha can increase the number of helpful bacteria in your gut. Since the amount of sugars and carbohydrates in these foods were broken down during fermentation, they become easier to digest, resulting in a smooth passage of foods in your stomach and intestines. Meanwhile, foods rich in fiber have been proved to contribute to a healthy gut by absorbing water and solidifying your stool. It also speeds up and smoothens the passage of food through your digestive tract. Fiber-rich foods such as bananas, legumes, beans, oats, and peas aid in weight management by making you feel full faster without overeating. Fiber also prevents constipation and helps in regular bowel movement. Number 2. Ditch high-sugar diet. Your goal in keeping your gut healthy is to increase good and diverse bacteria. The more diverse your microbiome is, the healthier it becomes. However, if you prefer processed foods that are packed with carbohydrates and sugar over a plant-based diet, your gut will be at risk. A high-sugar diet can decrease good bacteria and cause inflammation in your body. Serious diseases can spring from this inflammation, and it can even cause cancers. The bacteria imbalance in your gut leads to unnecessary cravings that may result in weight gain or obesity. This can also impair your ability to absorb nutrients and regulate blood sugar, and insulin resistance often causes increased weight. We have more rare topics that you can learn from. Subscribe to Natural Education and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Number 3. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water can help in digesting your food easier and faster. The recommended water intake for men is 15.5 cups a day, while for women it is 11.5 cups. You might have experienced being constipated before, and the immediate cure that you had thought of was to drink plenty of water, for it's known to soften stools. Water not only helps in breaking down your food and absorbing nutrients, but also in flushing away wastes from your body. Water is also proven to benefit the mucosal lining of your intestines and aids in balancing the good bacteria in your gut. Inadequate water in the body can cause an upset stomach and can be a sign of an unhealthy gut. Symptoms may include flatulence, bloating, heartburn, diarrhea, and constipation. Number 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps in maintaining a healthy gut by increasing the number of good bacteria and in enriching microbial diversity. One study shows that exercise enhances short-chain fatty acid synthesis and is linked to carbohydrate metabolism. Performing a 30-minute physical activity daily can boost your metabolism, resulting in a quicker absorption of energy and nutrients in your body. Number 5. Take probiotic supplements. Scientists say that there are trillions of microorganisms in our gut, and thousands of strains and species can be identified. While the common misconception about bacteria is those little guys that are dangerous to your health, there are tons of good bacteria that you can benefit from, one of which is probiotics, also known as live good bacteria that aids healthy digestion. One role of probiotics is to fight the side effects caused by excessive intake of antibiotics during treatment of certain diseases. Probiotics restore healthy bacteria, and 2 of its popular strains, Lactobacillus and Bifidobacteria, which can be found in commercial drinks and food supplements. Number 6. Get enough sleep. Your gut also follows a circadian rhythm which changes when you are asleep and awake. Lack of sleep may contribute to a weaker gut health, which can lead to chronic fatigue and mood swings. A stress hormone called serotonin, which affects your mood and sleep, is primarily produced in the gut. One sign of an unhealthy gut is insomnia and sleep deprivation, and inadequate sleep is a huge contributor to mental health diseases. Given this connection, scientists have conducted studies pertaining to improvement of gut health to prevent depression. For the past decades, scientists have been fascinated with the relationship between the brain and the gut. Initial studies made use of probiotic supplementation and found that modifying the microbiota may help control cognitive functions, eventually improving your moods and preventing mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. These studies, however, were tried on animals such as rodents and still need further supporting evidence, as these are still considered as promising data. And number 7, manage and reduce stress. We know that you've been in one of those awkward situations where you felt the urge to pee because you felt so stressed. Certain pressures like an upcoming exam, meeting a new friend, or hosting an event for the first time can be stressful. According to the American Psychological Association, high stress levels can affect your normal digestion by weakening your intestinal barriers and increasing gut mobility and fluid secretion. This speeds up or delays the passage of broken down foods through your intestines and other parts of your digestive tract. Find some time to reduce stress by doing yoga and meditation, relaxing outdoors with nature, or spending time with your loved ones. In addition, prolonged and high stress levels can trigger diseases like asthma, high blood pressure, CVD, and mental health problems. As a bonus trivia, your gut-brain axis is a pathway where your digestive system communicates with your brain regarding certain feelings and emotions. This explains why your gut feeling can tell you whether something is not right or you're in danger. Your gut feeling can make you nervous and skeptical over a person or situation. Gut feelings are believed to be based on intuition alone and not facts or any logical basis. However, this idiomatic expression was derived from those uneasy feelings that your digestive tract sends to your brain as a kind of warning to stay vigilant or remain calm despite stressful situations. Have you been in a situation where your gut feeling saved you from danger or embarrassment? Share us your stories in the comment section below. There you have it. These are the 7 ways to improve your gut health. This year, we are more than ever focused on reaching as many people as possible and make them aware of such great health tips, facts, and hacks. Did you enjoy watching this video? Give us a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to share this with your friends so we can all have a healthier gut and more peaceful mind. Want to find out which foods can prevent heart attacks and clean your arteries naturally? Go ahead and learn more about these foods.